Leslie Meredith with Breakbulk Events and Media. I'm here in the studio at Breakbulk Middle East in Dubai. And joining me is Ibrahim Behairy from Winterthur, Gas and Diesel. Okay, WinGD. We got it. So welcome. So happy that you're joining us.
Pleasure. Thank you very much, Leslie. I'm so happy to also have this interview with you.
Yes, and you just finished up on a panel, Spotlight Saudi Arabia. Can you tell us from your perspective, what were the key takeaways there?
We basically talked about Saudi Arabia 2030 vision, which has been set by His Royal Highness Mohammed bin Salman, the Crown Prince. We talked about new Saudi Arabia, how you see Saudi Arabia for the future, for the investors, what has changed in Saudi Arabia when it comes to the maritime and marine industry there, how you see NEOM project helping the Saudi economy. We talked about diversification of Saudi economy and not depending anymore in oil and gas, diversifying in other sectors such as tourism, education, military. So Saudi Arabia has a new vision now that we will not be an oil dependent country anymore in the next few decades.
Wow, that's amazing. That's a huge transition. You and your panel certainly covered a lot of ground.
Yeah, that's true.
But what I want to know is, tell me more about WinGD.
We in WinGD, we are main engine manufacturer for big ships, diesel engine manufacturer. We provide solutions for ship owners. So our engines is for big ships that we call it two-stroke engines. That means it's the main propulsion engine for the big ships. We provide solutions to comply with the IMO rules and regulation when it comes to emission, cutting down the emission, cutting down CO2 to zero. So to meet these kind of objectives, it needs a lot of work, research and development from our team in Winterthur to come up with some kind of technical solution and innovation to comply with the sustainability that everybody is looking for now. We have developed our engine to be able to burn LNG, which is the most convenient fuel at the moment when it comes to emission. Not only that, we looking forward also to develop our engines to be able to burn hydrogen in the very near future, to burn ammonia, methanol, because these are the kind of fuels that really will achieve the zero CO2 and zero carbon or net zero in the future. Very keen in the environmental solutions. We would like to contribute in having a green environment, not only for our generations, but for the generations to come.
Yeah, absolutely. Now, did the new IMO regulations, I know they were talked about and discussed for quite a while, but did that require a pivot by your company? How did you have to adapt and seize the opportunity, really, I would imagine, for your company in finding technologies to meet these goals?
We are a technology and innovation company, first of all. So this is our main job. The engine itself, we give the manufacturing of our engine to different licenses. So making an engine, that's not the target anymore. But giving the technology to come up with an engine that is suitable to comply with the new era, with the new regulation, with zero emission. This is what our team in the R&D in Switzerland are doing day and night. So we have team there trying to develop our engines to come up with solutions to ship's owner. Because it is really a challenge to come up with an engine that produce zero emission. That's a lot of work. That's a lot of work which we are doing, and we enjoy that because we are not new in the industry. We are from 1800s plus, so we enjoy coming up with innovation. We enjoy finding solutions for the shipping and the ship owners and shipyards. We work very closely with the owners and shipyards to really keep this environment healthy and green for all of us to have a healthy life here. Yeah.
That is excellent, and I'm sure very encouraging to our viewers. Ibrahim, I want to thank you for joining me today.
It's a pleasure. Thank you very much, Leslie. Thank you. Pleasure always to meet you. Thank you.